Hey everyone, Cecilia here just bought a condo. It's Aaron Morrow here, local realtor in the greater Seattle area, serving clients, both buyers and sellers in King, Pierce, and Snohomish counties here. Again, I'm with my wonderful client here, Cecilia, and she just got the keys to an awesome, heavily sought after condo in an amazing community in Redmond. So Cecilia, I'm going to flip the camera around here so you can tell what your experience was like working with me.
Yes, it's been awesome. Thank you so much, Aaron. I highly recommend Aaron Morrow to work with you. He is very customer service. He is oriented in answering all the questions that I have, and it's just been such a smooth process. So give him a call, and I highly recommend him.
Thank you so much, Cecilia. And remember, if you're new to the channel or you're looking to buy in the greater Seattle area, please subscribe, hit that notification bell to be the first to know about everything there is to live, work, play, eat in the greater Seattle area. Again, my name is Aaron Morrow, local realtor in the greater Seattle area, serving clients in King, Pierce, and Snohomish counties, both buyers and sellers. Again, I get calls, texts, and emails every day from people like you that are looking to make the move over here. Have a great day.